All right, so we got our website together. We got our landing page together. We got our thank you page together. So now we need a confirmation page. Now what happens is you've got a double opt-in. And so your autoresponder host is going to send your new sign up an email that says you need to confirm that you signed up for Ray Albert's photography course or whatever it is. So after they click confirm, they're going to get this generic thank you for confirming from GetResponse or whatever your autoresponder client is. So why not take that opportunity to again try to convert? See, you can use the confirmation page because you could set up a custom confirmation page that they get after they click the confirm, and then you can also use that as a source of contact or a source of marketing, or getting them to like your page or getting them to do whatever you want to do. So don't waste the opportunity. We're going to build the confirmation page that's going to be engaging, and people are going to take action because they're going to be engaged in your confirmation page instead of this little dinky thank you for confirming your account. Blah, that's it. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so here we are starting off at the good old dashboard again. Now, you remember how to make a page, right? Tell me. I don't hear nothing. Of course not. Anyway, so we're going to go to pages, and we could click add new, but it's already popped up, so we could just add new right here. Okay, so we're going to just call this the confirmation page just so that you know what it is. Okay, now what we're going to do is, again, we're going to go to the page builder. You should be experts at this by now. You guys should be really good at doing this. Okay, so we're going to add a row, and we're going to make it a single row, and we are going to put a little padding in there at 20. And of course, make sure you come down here and you make the layout the full width. Only 3 things you got to do. Pretty simple, right? Let me move my ugly mug over here. No, it's very pretty, don't you think? Okay. Anyway, okay, so we got this in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a widget. Okay, so the widget we are going to add is the Site Origin Editor. Only because we can put a heading in there or a big header. Let's edit this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make this a heading. And we are going to put this in the center, right there. And what I like to do is I like to just make it like a bluish color, something like that. Okay, now this is going to be a big heading. So heading is going to say, let's think of something really cool that we can put in the top there. We could put thank you, but, you know, or maybe we could put something funny. Who are you? Submission? I think this is funny, right? Okay. Okay. So we're gonna save that. That's gonna be our title. Okay. So let's just, for ha-has, go and let's publish this. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, things that I didn't do. First of all, I don't want this header area. Second of all, I don't want the sidebar. And I don't want this here either. So how do we fix that? Okay, let me show you how we do that. First, we're going to go back to edit the page. Okay, now to get rid of the sidebar, all you're going to do is come down here. And I bet you know already, right? We're going to go to front page. Okay, that gets rid of the sidebar. Now, how do we get rid of the header area? Remember the the custom CSS, right? If we click on that, remember we got these custom CSSs. Okay, so we need to make one for this page. So now we're going to have to go back to the pages. I'm just going to click my back button there. That should take me back to the page, I hope. Alrighty, so we're going to update it. Okay, as you can see now our sidebar is gone. We still have the header, but we don't have the other thing over here that said confirmation page. So now remember, to get rid of the header, to use the CSS, we need to find the page ID. Now do you remember how to do that? Huh? Right mouse click, go to view page source, go down till you see the body. Okay, so this is the body, right? Here's the page ID 797, right? So now that we know that, we're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to go to our CSS, and we are going to highlight this code, and we are going to go down, and we are going to add it down here. We're going to paste it in there, and we're going to change this page to 797, and we're going to change this to 797. Okay, then we are going to go down and save this. And if we go back to our pages, and we go back to the confirmation page here, and we view the page, bada bing, the header's gone. Simple as that, folks. Now we can continue on with building our confirmation page. So let's go back to the edit again. Okay, now this is going to be our confirmation title. So now that we have the header out, and we have the sidebar out, and the confirmation out, I decided to do it this way because the other way was kind of like backwards. Because when they get the confirmation request, this is what they're going to get after they hit confirm, okay? So now you can just write some stuff in here. And so I'm going to write some stuff. I'm going to stop the video and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, now in order to keep with congruency, remember I told my signups that I would send pictures with my emails. So I'm doing that. Also, I'm going to put the Facebook like page down here again. So do you remember how to do that? Well, I'm about to show you. What we're going to do is we're going to say done with this. And what I like to do all the time before I forget is just update it. Then if you want to, once it's updated, you can go and view the page just to make sure it looks as, good, because you want your stuff to look really good. You want it to be quality stuff. Okay, all right, you just confirm your submission. You will now receive all the secrets I have to offer. Cool, right? All right, so then what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put the Facebook like button down here, and we should be done. I might make this even darker. I might make the font a little bit bigger. So let's go back to editing the page. I want to go back here to edit the page. Okay, so let's make this font a little bit bigger by making it a smaller heading. Okay, so now it's going to be bolder and everything else. And now we want to put in the Facebook like button. So once this is updated, we're going to go down to the Facebook like button. And this is what they call the easy Facebook like box. And remember, we are just going to copy this code right here. And we're going to go back to our page. And I probably can just do it by doing that. And now, edit this again. Bring it on down. Go down a couple rows maybe. Paste in that code CTRL-V, we'll paste it in real quick, just like that. And you want to go to your Facebook page that you created for this website. And we'll go to my web page. Okay, now right up here is the URL. So we're going to copy the URL. And we're going to go back to our page here. And remember right here, this is the URL for your fan page. And you backspace it just like that. So the cursor's in between the two quotes there. CTRL-V for pasting it in. Bang, there it is. So after you add the Facebook URL in here, I'm just going to take out that little hyphen there. I don't like that. And so here you want to show the width, what you would like for the width. So I'm just going to put 300 pixels. For the height of the box in pixels, I'm going to put in 200. Okay, so since that's done now, just click on Done, Update, and view your page. And there's your Facebook like box right there. Like my page. Okay, so now that we are done with that, that's pretty cool. So now we want to integrate everything. So I'm going to go back to my autoresponder, which is GetResponse. First, I want to get my URLs all together here. So I got this confirmation page, so I can highlight that, copy it, and I can paste it in my notepad here. So I have it, CTRL-V for paste. And then I will go back to editing the page. I won't edit the page, but what we're going to do is we're going to get the other URLs for the other pages by clicking on all pages. And we want to go down to the thank you page. They're going to be able to download their stuff. Remember this page we created right here? So now we're going to get the URL for that. Copy that. Go back to the notepad, and CTRL-V that in there. Okay, so now we have these two, and what I'm going to do now is go back to my. Okay, so you can see here I'm in my campaign, my photography. Like I said, if you have other campaigns, you want to go into the campaign that you want, all you have to do is click down here and you can click on the campaign that you want to go into. But I'm already in the campaign that I want. So now I'm going to go to the wheel here, which is going to give me the settings for this campaign. And we want to go to the permissions. And so we want to use a custom URL for after they click on their confirmation message, they're going to get this right here. So we're going to take the URL, which is this one here, highlight it, copy, go back here and paste it, CTRL-V, and say OK. So that's the message that they're going to get. Now, I'm going to show you the message. When you click on this button here, you're going to be able to edit the confirmation page. Okay? So, hello, and this just means it's going to be whatever first name they gave, that's what's going to be on there. So, hello, Ray. Okay, hold on a minute. We can't just send our secrets course information to just anyone. They wouldn't be secrets if we did, would they? But in the interest of mutual trust, you have been sent the ebook you requested first. Now I need you to swear that you are, who you say you are. Oh, and we'll need fingerprints and retinal scan too. Ha. All I need you to do is click the box below so you can keep getting more cool stuff from me. The fun doesn't stop here. Thanks again. And so then they're going to click here to confirm their request, and then they will get that email that we just put in there. Okay? So that's done. Now what we want to do is we want to go to the actual sign up page. So we got to go to the forms and manage forms. Okay, so this is the sign up page that we have them going to. So we have to edit the sign up page. Then we have to click on the little wheel here. Okay. Now, if you haven't done it already, you see where it says choose your thank you page, and you click down here. You can stay on the page and go to the default. I'll show you that in a second. Or custom. So here's the custom link I put in there. See, for the thank you page. And I also have, if they're already subscribed for some reason, they might have lost it and they might want to, get it back, so they sign up again. So if they're already subscribed, instead of getting 2 subscriptions from them, all they're going to do is go right to this thank you, and they'll be able to download their ebook again. So now we're going to save all of that. And so we're all done with the integration. Okay, so now if we go back here and we go to the dashboard, I want to show you how this all works really quickly, okay? You're going to be sending traffic to this page right here. This is the sign up page, okay? They're going to put in their email address, and I'm going to put in my first name, and I'm going to say send my book please. Boom. So now they get the thank you page. Success. You can now download your ebook. The page that we just created, right? And they'll read these 3 things, and if they want to click on like your page, they will. If they don't, they won't. But they're definitely going to click on this ebook to get the ebook. So if they click on the ebook, bang, there's the ebook. Okay? Tells them how to get paid to take digital photos. All right? Now, if we go back to our email, because remember in the thank you page we asked them to go to their email and look out for an email. So here's the email. Please confirm your subscription. So they're going to click on that. Hello, Ray. Remember I put my name in there. Hello, Ray. Hold on a minute. We can't send you our secret course information just to anyone. They wouldn't be. And so it's just, a confirmation. And then once they confirm their request, all right, you just confirmed your request. Okay, so then they're going to get this last email, and they have another opportunity to hit the like page. So that's it, folks. That's how you do it. That's how you put it all together. So now in the next videos, we're going to work on traffic generation, and you'll be surprised at how you can get really good free traffic. Okay? Talk to you then in the next lecture.